Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be using my favorite potato chip, which is a 2.5 by 4.5. And I've pulled together a bunch of colors that I figure will go together. I'm not going to be picky about how each one goes together because I think they'll all play nicely. So to get started, I'm going to put these colored ones to the side for now, and I'm going to start with the center part of the block. So let me just pile these over there. And I found that I had some of these left over from a previous video. And these measure 6.5 by 4.5, and they were 3 potato chips sewn together. And what I actually need is I need a center block that is going to be 8.5 by 4.5. So I'm just going to add this to the end. You can substitute this with 2 4.5-inch squares sewn together. You could have a 4.5 by 8.5 that's cut, or you can do what I've done, where I'm taking 2 and putting 1 on each end with the 2 centers that have already been joined together, and this will make up my 8.5 by 4.5. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what happens next. So I've now got these all finished, so I'm going to put them aside for now. And as I said, this will be the center of each block. So to surround these, we need to pair up the variety of colors. So I'm just going to take them in twos. And each block we're going to need 4 of these done. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what we do next. So with these units of potato chips joined together, we're now going to add them to the center of your 4.5, 8.5 by adding 1 on the left, 1 on the right. And once those are added and the seams are pressed, we're going to add another set of 2 on the bottom and on the top. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll join you back here. Now this is a design decision. You could stop here and use this in any layout that you want. For my purposes though, I want this to be a 12.5-inch square. So there's 2 ways of doing that. We can add 3 additional potato chips on each of these sides, and that would give it the size we want. Just pretend that's what we're doing here. Or if you have strips like I do, I've cut them to 2.5 by 12.5 because I had some extra strips in my stash. So I'm going to add that here, and then I'll add the other one to this side. And after I've done that, then I'll take you over to my design wall. So this is the layout I've come out with, and it's got kind of a basket weaving type of layout. And this will measure approximately 36 inches without borders. You could add another 3 blocks, so 1 here and then 2 more at the bottom, and that would give you a rectangular look. Or you could also add more on the side and down to make a bigger quilt. I did use my formula for doing the corners and the sides, and it seems to work quite nicely. So I'll explain that in a minute. So let me just join these together. So we have 1 block going this way, another going the same way, this one's going this way, this one's pointing, and this one's pointing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to piece it with the side, the side, and then the corner, the 3 blocks, and then another corner, and then this one is identical to the first row, and then I'll add these 2 corners. So let me do that, and I'll join you back here. So here it is all done. It doesn't look like how I showed it to you last time. Something was just not sitting right with me, so I decided to change it up. So what I did is I created 4 blocks, that are opposite to the main ones that I showed you how to do it. So in the center you have a dark fabric, you have your potato chips going all the way around, and then you have a row of potato chips on either side. I really like how this turned out better. I did sub these for 4.5 by 8.5 inches. There, and there, just to give a different look. So let me know what you think, if you like this one better. I will put the instructions for both in the video description, and eventually this will make it to my website. I appreciate your feedback, your hypes, your comments, and your likes. So until next time, sew safely and sew with Debee. Have a great day, and bye for now.